Hello, I am Harshal from Volute Pumps, and today I will show you 4x4 gearbox driven PTO pump. This is the pump. It consists of gearbox and it has heavy duty gear. It is same as the previous one we saw, but this is a 6x6 pump. This one has 30-meter head with a discharge of 55 liters per second. It is a 3x3 pump. It has a head of 30 meters. The discharge is 29 liters per second. It is available in head range of 30 meter to 70 meter. So this is pump and it has 80 mm intake and 65 mm outtake. It comes in 3 different series, 3 stage, 4 stage and 5 stage. The head ranges between 80 meter to 125 meter. Discharge is same on all the series, 25 liters. And popularly used for sprinkler irrigation, and it is also used to push away water at far distance. Now I'm going to talk about belt system tractor driven PTO pump. This consists of one pump, load wheel and V-groove pulley. The pump is available from 3x3 to 6x6 as per your requirement. It is available in head range of 30 meter to 70 meter. Discharge ranges from 25 to 55 liter per second. It depends on the size of your pump. The first thing you will have to do after purchasing it is, this is the pump and this is the gearbox. This is the pipe you will see over here. You will have to open the cap, fill in 3 liters of 90 number gear oil. And this is the process on how to fit the PTO shaft into the gearbox. For the maintenance of this product, monthly you will have to check whether the grease cups still have grease in it or not. If it's not, you will have to refill the grease and put it back. You would be thinking how to identify the original forward pump product. Let me show you. You will have to find the embossed marking on the pump instead of the sticker.